Turing Robotics seems to be banking heavily on the Turing Phone. Not only has the company delayed the release of the device for months upon months, but it even completely changed the operating system, going from Android to the somewhat unknown SailfishOS, a very risky move for a company that's still building a name for itself. Since news of the phone first broke with a fairly lean website that kept using odd words like U2018 liquid morphium, we were skeptical. Sure, the device is touted as ultra-secure and ultra-strong, but that alone isn't enough to catapult a phone to victory. We've used the Turing Phone for the past week or so to see how it stacks up in the increasingly competitive smartphone landscape. Turing Robotics obviously wants to make a good first impression. Apart from being a little oversized, the packaging of the Turing Phone is beautiful. The device comes in a faux alligator skin hexagonal box with a metallic U2018 Turing Phone label plastered on it. Open up that box, and you'll see the phone. Under that is a little tab to open a compartment with the charging cable, wall adapter, and other necessary items. Even the wall adapter is classy, taking a page from Apple's book by making the prongs removable for use in other countries and giving it an overly minimalistic look. Very nice indeed. The design of the phone is pretty nice as well. The Turing Phone is a far cry from the plain black or white slate suite they've become accustomed to in the last few years. A portion of the back of the phone is even patterned with a scale-type design, giving the device some extra grip and design detail. On my model, which is the dark Wyvern version, the entire device is black.